What's up, meatheads? It's your boy back again with another Meathead Coding tutorial. In today's video, we're going to talk about arrays and loops in JavaScript. Now, arrays are like a set of dumbbells for your code. Just like you would use different weights to work different muscles, you use arrays to store different types of data in your code. Now, let's create an array of different protein sources. So, let protein sources equal chicken, beef, a sometimes favorite, fish, AIDS, whey. Okay, those are the protein sources we're going to put. And so in this example, we created the array, which was called protein sources, that contains different types of protein: chicken, beef, fish, eggs, and whey, as I said. Made a little mistake there, put a period instead of a comma. Important mistake to make. So, from this array we made, with the content of the different protein sources, you can access elements of the array using their indents. For example, to access the first element of protein source array, you would use console.log protein sources, 0, which would access chicken, as you see right here, and in the output down here. And this outputs chicken to the console. Now for loops are like doing multiple sets of the same exercise to save you time and effort by repeating the same action multiple times. Here's an example of a loop that prints out all the elements of the protein sources array. For let I equals 0, I just for my own mind, I like to space it out like that so it's a little more clean. Totally unnecessary step though. Console.log protein source number plus I plus 1 plus is I plus protein source is I You see, and this is what it prints out then. Protein source number 1 is chicken down here. It also printed out here, but you can't see the whole thing. You can see it if I go over it though, but yeah, it prints out the whole thing down here. Protein source number 1 is chicken. Protein source number 2 is beef. Protein source number 3 is fish. Protein source number 4 is eggs. Protein source number 5 is whey. Now let's see what happens when I just put 2. And if I change the number to 2 here, it actually will, what happens is it just prints out 5 of the same value, which would be, it would print out fish 5 times, opposed to every single value in the array. When I put I. And the same would be said if I put 1 for, I believe it print out beef, 0. It will print out chicken 5 times. But yeah, if I put I, then it prints out every single value in the array itself, and the number, in the index number of them. So indexes actually start at 0, they don't start at 1, in case you were confused by that. But so that's why, even though it's in the first spot, when you put 0, it would print out chicken, as it does here. So the last spot is actually 4. Protein source number 1 is whey. Protein source number 2 is whey. That's a lot of whey. I know some people with that mentality though. But that's it for looping and arrays for today. Just a little simple beginner kind of showcase of it, but we'll get into more complicated aspects of this in future videos. But hope you enjoyed today's. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Or follow. Peace out, bros.